Hello and welcome to Kinder Farm Park.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dean. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Whoa!
I've got you.
Baa Baa Pink Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dean. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Pink Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Baa Baa Blue Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dean. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Blue Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dean. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Sister shark do 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 do, sister shark do 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 do, sister shark do 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 do, sister shark. Brother shark do 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 do, brother shark do 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 do, brother shark do 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 do, brother shark. Mommy
shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark.
Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Watch me go do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Here we come. Happy sharks do 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 do. Happy sharks do 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 do. Happy sharks do 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 do. Happy sharks. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end.
Roar! Come on, kids. Go get ready for Jack's party.
Yay! Dinosaur party! We're going to have a party and dress like dinosaurs. We're putting on our costumes and we are going to roar. Let's put on our dino heads, then our tails and feet, and growl like scary dinosaurs, stomping to the beat.
You scared me, baby dino. Help me frost the dino cake with yellow, green, and brown. We'll add some eyes and then some teeth and big scales up and down. Our dinosaur looks super, but our cake needs one thing more. Do you know what's missing? A baby dinosaur. You scared me again!
Let's decorate the patio and the garden too. We'll make a dino park with posters and balloons.
And don't forget the dino egg. We'll hang it way up high. You can watch the dino treats fall out of the sky.
Aha! I think someone here is not wearing a costume. Bingo!
Yay! He'll be the brave dinosaur.
Hurry, let's get Bingo. I think he went this way. We'll dress him in a dino suit, then we all will play.
Look, I think he's over here, Bingo. It's okay. You're big enough to dress yourself the doggy dino way.
He only needs a mask.
Yes, because he already has a tail.
Roar! I'm a T-Rex.
Roar! Roar!
Roar! We're dinosaurs too. We are hungry dinosaurs, a dino family. We swish our tails and chomp our food with giant pointy teeth. We have great big mouths and we stomp all on the floor. We love to have a party and we all know how to roar.
Oh, they're here!
Yay! Roar!
Hello, Baby John. Do you know what today is at daycare? It is Dino Day.
Wow, it's Dino Day, huh? Have fun on Dino Day, Baby John. Today's Dino Day, come and play. Let's dinosaur explore the day away. We'll dress up and pretend we'll be dinos with our friends. Come on, let's play. Today is Dino Day. Today is Dino Day, come and play.
Let's dinosaur explore the day away. We'll dress up and pretend we'll be dinos with our friends. Come on, let's play. Today is Dino Day. Now it's time for a dinosaur game. Are you ready to play dinosaur treasure hunt, kids? Look everywhere and try to find the hidden dino toys. Good job! Mia found the Stegosaurus behind the books. Let's learn about the Stegosaurus. A Stegosaurus is a dinosaur. He has a spiky tail and he roars. He puts his head down and munches on the ground. A Stegosaurus is a dinosaur. There are 2 dinosaurs left, a Triceratops and a T-Rex. Look everywhere and find them. Wow! Charlie found the Triceratops under the table. Triceratops is a dinosaur. It has a giant head with 3 big horns. The plants are all it eats when it's hungry for some treats. Triceratops is a dinosaur. Now it's time to find the T-Rex. Be sure to look everywhere. If you find it, you can be the T-Rex. Wow! Baby John found the T-Rex. I think he wants to be T-Rex. The T-Rex is a giant dinosaur. He shows his pointy teeth when he roars. He's a great big jaw and tiny arms with claws. A T-Rex is a giant dinosaur. Now it's time to be dinosaurs. Oh! Baby John, you get to be the giant T-Rex.
Yay!
Let's all dress up and become dinosaurs. Let's use our dino feet to stomp the floor. Today is Dino Day, so let's play the dino way. Put on your dino heads, we're gonna roar. We are a bunch of happy dinosaurs. We are a bunch of happy dinosaurs. We're giant and we're green, one big dino-rific team. It's Dino Day, so everybody roar. Roar!
Wow!
Oh!
What is it, Baby John?
As I was walking in the park, a crazy ride I saw inside. Hello, hello, hello. Round and round and away we go, away we go, away we go. Around and away we go. Hey ho, hey ho, hey ho.
Here, Baby John, your cotton candy.
Hey, look! A baby shark ride! As I was walking in the park, I met up with the baby shark. Hello, hello, hello. Around and away we go, away we go, away we go. Up and down, high and low. Hey ho, hey ho, hey ho.
Here, Baby John, your cotton candy.
Hey, look! A train! Let's ride it!
Yay!
As I was walking up and back, I found a train upon a track. Hello, hello, hello. Around and away we go. Let's ring the bell and say hello. Around and away we go. Hey ho, hey ho, hey ho.
Here, Baby John, your cotton candy.
Hey, look at that amazing carousel.
Wow!
A carousel with pretty lights, and horses that we all can ride. Let's go, let's go,
My favorites, the bumper cars. As I was walking in the park, I found some colorful bumper cars. Hello, hello, hello. Let's have a race and drive around, bumping up and bumping down everywhere we go. Okay, Baby John, pick up a balloon.
We had a great time, didn't we?
Yay!
Baby John, it's dentist day. Oh!
Aha! It's time to see the dentist. We'll show you how it's done. There's nothing to be scared of. It's actually quite fun. They're going to check your teeth and then they'll make them shine. Oh, it's time to see the dentist. It's gonna be alright. There's no fear, do-do-do-do-do. There's no fear, do-do-do-do-do. There's no fear, do-do-do-do-do. There's no fear. Dentist friend, do-do-do-do-do. Dentist friend, do-do-do-do-do. Dentist friend, do-do-do-do-do. Dentist friend.
Oh, I am a dentist and I am very kind. It is my job and I do it all the time. I will help your teeth and get them all clean. So if you need them checked, then you can come to me.
Healthy teeth, do-do-do-do-do. Healthy teeth, do-do-do-do-do. Healthy teeth, do-do-do-do-do. Healthy teeth. Happy smile, do-do-do-do-do. Happy smile, do-do-do-do-do. Happy smile, do-do-do-do-do. Happy smile.
Let's see. Open up your mouth and make sure it's very wide, so I can see your teeth and take a look inside. I will check each tooth and make sure that they are clean. Give them a little brush until they start to clean.
Open mouth, do-do-do-do-do. Open mouth, do-do-do-do-do. Open mouth, do-do-do-do-do. Open mouth. Shiny teeth, do-do-do-do-do. Shiny teeth, do-do-do-do-do. Shiny teeth, do-do-do-do-do. Shiny teeth.
Here it is, a toothbrush. We must all remember to protect our teeth. Brush them every day to keep them sparkling clean. The dentist is our friend and it is lots of fun to keep our shiny teeth and smile at everyone.
Happy smile, do-do-do-do-do. Happy smile, do-do-do-do-do. Happy smile, do-do-do-do-do. Happy smile.
Let's go to the dentist, Baby John.
Let's go now, do-do-do-do-do. Let's go now, do-do-do-do-do. Let's go now, do-do-do-do-do. Let's go now.
We did it!
There are 10 at the slide and they all want to ride. Go down it, go down it. So one went down and landed on the ground. Whee! There are 9 at the slide and they all want to ride. Go down
no! We're out of sprinkles. I need the sugar police. Officer, officer.
Yes, madam.
Can you please watch the cupcakes?
Yes, madam.
I won't be long.
It's okay. I will keep watch. Yes, yes, yes. Not for you. Outside. Smells yummy. Jail. Yes, officer. Did you take a cupcake? No, officer. Telling lies? No, officer. Show me your hands. Ha, ha, ha.
What's that smell? Yum, yum.
Oh? Oh. Aha. Oopsies. Jack.
Yes, officer.
Did you take a cupcake?
No, officer.
Telling lies?
No, officer.
Show me your hands.
Ha, ha, ha.
Oh no!
Hi, sugar officer. Are our cupcakes safe?
Oh good, madam.
Oh, smells so good. Oh.
Daddy,
Yes, officer.
did you take a cupcake?
No, officer.
Telling lies?
No, officer.
Show me your hands.
Ha, ha, ha.
Oh, baby officer, did you eat the cupcakes?
Not me.
And do you want to have one? Extra sprinkles for your cupcake, Officer Baby John.
Yay!
Officer.
Yes, sir.
Eating cupcakes.
Yes, sir. Is it yummy? Yes, it is.
Can we have some?
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh.
These cupcakes are delicious, Mom.
Great job, Mom. Let's enjoy this beautiful day, kids. Yeah! Whee!
Let's have some fun, Baby John. Hey,
Daddy finger, where are you?
here I am, how do you do?
Daddy finger, what do you do?
Eat my sandwich, that's what I do. Hey, that squirrel took my sandwich.
Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, what do you do? I am reading, that's what I do. Hey, squirrel, come back with my glasses. Oh. And that's my book.
Brother Finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Brother Finger, what do you do?
Play baseball, that's what I do.
Catch it, son!
Oh! Hey, give me that! Good pitch, Squirrel! Sister Finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Sister Finger, what do you do?
Play with dolls, that's what I do. Oh. Come back with my doll. Oh no. Oh. Baby Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby Finger, what do you do? Play with friends, that's what I do.
What a funny friend, Baby John.
Oh, that squirrel.
Daddy Finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Mommy Finger, where are you?
Here I am, how
Who's ready to have some fun?
Yay! Me! Helmet on!
What's the magic word, honey?
The magic word, the magic word. It's good manners, so we say the magic word. So if you want to join in and play, use the magic words today.
Helmet on, please.
That's right. We say please when we want help. Then we wait for our turn. We say please when we want help, 'cause it's the magic word.
My turn.
The magic words, the magic words. It's good manners, so we say the magic words. So if you want to join in and play, use the magic words today.
Your turn.
We wait for our turn to come so other kids can play too. We wait 'cause we've learned that some patience is magic too. I am sorry is what we say when we've done something wrong. I am sorry is the right way, so we sing it in this song. Hey kids, who wants to pet this bunny?
Aww. Me.
The magic words, the magic words. It's good manners, so we say the magic words. So if you want to join in and play, use the magic words today. We wait for our turn to come, and then we say thank you. We wait 'cause we've learned that some patience is magic too. Come on over.
Yeah, let's swim.
The magic words, the magic words. It's good manners, so we say the magic words. So if you want to join in and play, use the magic words today. We say please when we want help. Then we wait for our turn. We say thank you when we get help, 'cause they're the magic words.
The magic words, the magic words. It's good manners, so we say the magic words. So if you want to join in and play, use the magic words
Christmas time is here. Christmas time is here. Our favorite holiday full of cheer. Decorate the tree. Grab a bauble each. Add some tinsel too if you can reach.
I want to reach up tall.
No, baby John, you're too small.
I can't reach. Why?
Christmas time is here. There's a lot to do. Everybody has to help, even kids do. Let's decorate the gingerbread house. Grab some candy, sprinkle them around.
I want to help put candies on.
No, baby John, you're too young.
just want to help Mom and Dad. Can't help with the tree or the stockings. I'm too little to do anything. Maybe I can wrap the presents up. I want to help, but I'm too young. I'm just too young. Hey, baby John, come and see. We need you to help the family.
You can help Dad, you can help Mom. Everyone can sing along. You're doing really great, you're helping out. Thanks, baby John, you make us proud.
I make them. Christmas is great. Christmas is the best. It's my favorite time of year. Yes, yes, yes.
Such a happy time for everyone. Working together is so much fun. We really love Christmas Day. It makes us happy in every way.
Christmas is the best.
Christmas is the best.
Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs, and they each wanted to build a house. 3 little pigs, 3 little pigs, 3 little piggies went out one day. 3 little pigs, 3 little pigs, 3 little piggies went out to play.
My house will be as strong as a tree, made out of straw. Just you wait and see.
Oh no! Here comes the big bad wolf!
I'll huff, I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down.
3 little pigs, 3 little pigs, 3 little piggies, run, run, run! Guys, we have to build a stronger house. 3 little pigs, 3 little pigs, 3 little piggies love to play. 3 little pigs, 3 little pigs, 3 little piggies play all day. My house will be made out of wood, the best house around in the neighborhood. Oh no! Here comes the big bad wolf!
I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down.
3 little pigs, 3 little pigs, 3 little piggies, run, run, run! Strong, strong, strong! Yeah! 3 little pigs, 3 little pigs, 3 little piggies running round. 3 little pigs, 3 little pigs, 3 little pigs make oinking sounds. Oink, oink, oink! My house will be the best one of all. Made out of bricks, this one will never fall. Oh no! Here comes the big bad wolf!
I'll huff, I'll puff, and hey, this one won't blow down.
3 little pigs, 3 little pigs, big bad wolf, you better run! Yay, we did it! Oink, oink! Yay! 3 little pigs, 3 little pigs, 3 little piggies in the sun. 3 little pigs, 3 little pigs, 3 little piggies having fun.
little pigs, 3 little pigs, 3 little piggies having fun. Oink, oink, oink.
Hi-ya! This is karate, karate. Step for karate, karate. Punch for karate, karate. Huh, huh. Oh yeah, karate is so much fun. Punch, punch, punch. Punch, punch, punch. Don't worry, practice will make you good. Very good, kids. Remember, karate keeps you healthy, safe, and strong. This is karate, karate. Huh. It keeps you strong and so healthy. This is karate, karate. That's right, now follow along with me. Now can you punch for karate? It keeps you strong and so healthy. That's right, now follow along with me. Downward block. Downward block. Don't worry, practice and you will see. Wow, great job! Remember, this room is called a dojo, and we're standing on a mat! That's right! This is karate, karate. It keeps you strong and so healthy. This is karate, karate. Now you can do it the same as me. Now can you kick for karate? Yeah, can you kick for karate? Oh, you will get it so soon you'll see. Now let's kick. Ha-ha-ya! Now let's kick. Ha-ha-ya! Don't worry, practice and you will see. Very good, class. You'll all be black belts in no time. This is karate, karate. It keeps you strong and so healthy. This is karate, karate. Now you can do it the same as me. Show them karate, karate. You've learned karate, karate. Now you can follow along with me. Elbow strike, ha-ha-ya. Elbow strike, ha-ha-ya. Now you can do it the same as me. Very good, kids.
Great job! Yay! Swimming! No, you're too little. Why not me? Why not me? Why not me, me?
Yes, yes, you can go swimming. But first you must wait. You must put your floaties on so you can play safe.
Yes, yes, I can go swimming. Just like big kids do. I must put my floaties on so I can play too. Bike! Me too!
No, no, you're too little.
Why not me? Why not me? Why not me, me, me?
Yes, yes, you can go riding on a special bike path. One that fits you, one that's fun for you. racing down the track.
Yes, yes, I can go riding, just like big kids do. I can ride my bike, zoom, zoom. Oh, I can do it too. I want to help.
No, no, you're too little.
Why not me? Why not me? Why not me, me, me?
Yes, yes, you can help us. Help us make our food. You can be our sandwich helper. That's the job for you.
Yes, yes, I'm good at helping, just like big kids do. Building yummy sandwiches, I can help out too. Marshmallow, me too.
No, no, you're too little.
Why not me? Why not me? Why not me, me, me?
Yes, you can have a marshmallow, but we must stay safe. Fire is hot, 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 so you must stay away.
Yes, you can have a marshmallow, but here's what you must do. Ask a grown-up for some help, and you can have one too. Tent, me too.
No, no, you're too little.
Why not me? Why not me? Why not me, me, me?
You can sleep in our tent. We'll have fun and play. When it rains, you'll be with us, and we'll keep you safe. Yes, we sleep in a big tent.